Hello, look at this cryptocurrency price tracking websites that I built using WordPress. We have the name of the cryptocurrencies, we have the price, the changes within the last 24 hours, the market cap, the transactions volume, and also supply. So if you're interested to build this cryptocurrency price tracking websites, just like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, this course is definitely for you guys. Hello guys, welcome to my course. Welcome to building cryptocurrency price tracker website with WordPress. This is basically an extensive project-based course where you will be guided step by step on how to build a cryptocurrency price tracking website using WordPress alongside with Cryptocurrency Widget, which is a WordPress plugin that was specifically designed to create cryptocurrency market price tracker just like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. In addition, Cryptocurrency Widget plugin is also supported by CoinGecko API. Therefore, the price data that will be displayed on our website will be reliable and most up-to-date data. In the introduction session, you will learn the basic fundamentals of WordPress and get to know more about Cryptocurrency Widgets, which is the plugin that will be utilized in this project. Then, you will also get to know the general overview of the project that we're going to build, as well as all features that will be included there. Before getting to the main sections of the course, you will be guided step by step on how to set up all necessary tools like creating an account on TestWP, which is WordPress testing platform that we're going to use, and also installing the plugin that we need for this project. Once we are ready, you will learn step by step on how to build the crypto price tracker website from scratch. We will go over how to import the price columns and how to change the currency and still many more. After the website has been built, we're going to be conducting testing to make sure that the crypto price tracking website has been fully functioning and also easy to use from the user's perspective. There will be 4 main testing objectives that will be emphasized in this course. Those are functionality testing, user experience testing, compatibility testing, and performance testing. Once the website has been tested and passed all the required criteria, you're going to get to know more about affordable domain and hosting options. Hopefully, these particular sections will enable you to make informed decisions about which hosting service that you want to use. At the end of the course, you will also learn how to monetize your cryptocurrency price tracking website. We will go over several strategies such as displaying ads, premium ICO or initial coins offer, and subscriptions-based models. First of all, before getting into the course, we need to ask ourselves these questions, guys. Why should we learn or even build a cryptocurrency price tracking website? Well, there are many answers to that questions, but in my opinion, cryptocurrency, Web 3.0, and blockchain have been growing very rapidly in the past few years. Hence, the demand for crypto tracking websites will always be there. If you are thinking about creating the exact clone of CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, then most likely it will not work since they've already dominated the market a long time even before you started. However, if you have a new creative ideas and try to combine that innovations with crypto price tracker system in your website, I'm pretty sure you have a good chance to succeed. Besides crypto, learning how to build and design a website using WordPress is also a high demand skill to have into this market, as more and more companies are transforming toward massive scale digitalizations. Well, we've gone this far, guys, but I have not introduced myself yet. Hi guys, my name is Chris and I've been creating more than 45 courses, including this course on Udemy. Previously, I worked as an IT consultant for the last couple of years before deciding to resign from my job and start running several online businesses like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Regarding WordPress, I've built multiple websites in the past using WordPress. I built my e-commerce dropshipping store using WooCommerce, which is WordPress plugin for e-commerce. I'm also familiar with Elementor as I use it frequently to design my website for my AI automation agency and also for my personal portfolio websites. And last thing that you need to know, guys, I want you to know the reason why I created this course, right? So the reason behind me creating this course is to teach people who are interested in both cryptocurrencies and WordPress to build their dream project and potentially even turn it to a sustainable passive income business, guys. Because when you're building a cryptocurrency price tracking websites, just like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, if you combine it with your creative ideas, there's a huge potentials for you to turn this into a business, right? Into a passive income. So yeah, guys, that was brief introductions about myself. Once again, welcome to the course. I'm so glad to have you here. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, you're going to get to know more about the table of contents of this course, right? So I'm going to explain things that you're going to do, things that you're going to learn in each chapter. And as you guys can see here, we have 10 chapters in total in this course. So hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding about things that you can expect to learn from each chapter in this course, right? So let's talk about the first one here, whom this course is intended for. So in the first chapter, I'm going to explain my intention behind creating this course, who are my main targeted students for this course. And obviously, if you are interested in building a cryptocurrency price tracking websites, just like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, this is definitely the right course for you guys. All right, so we're going to talk more about that in the first chapter. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's move on to the second chapter. It's tools and resources. All right, so I'm going to provide you with lists of tools and resources that we're going to utilize to build our project. Obviously, we're going to use WordPress and also Taste WP. That's like the testing platforms that you can use for free to test your WordPress websites. We're also going to use a cryptocurrency widgets plugin, and just for your informations, that plugin is supported by CoinGecko API, right? So we're going to get our cryptocurrency market data, price data from CoinGecko API, but we're not going to do like the API integrations manually. We're just going to automate that using the plugin that we're going to use. So don't worry, guys. Even if you don't have any knowledge about API integrations, you will be fine, all right? Because we're not going to do anything too technical in this course. Okay, so that's the second chapter. Let's move on to the third chapter, Introduction to WordPress and Cryptocurrency Widget. Okay, so in the third chapter, I'm going to introduce you to WordPress web builder, just in case if you are not really familiar with WordPress. But if you're already familiar with WordPress, you can feel free to skip chapter 3, guys, all right? And I'm also going to introduce you to Cryptocurrency Widget. I'm going to explain more about this plugin, its use cases, like how can you integrate the crypto market data to your WordPress website, stuff like that. So yeah, if you're already familiar with all of these, just feel free to skip chapter 3. But if you are new to this and you want to learn more about cryptocurrency widget, you want to learn more about WordPress, make sure that you pay very close attention to chapter 3, all right? Because that's like the basic fundamentals that you need before starting the project, right? Okay, so that's chapter 3. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 4. So what are we going to build, all right? So that's like the question, right? So I'm going to give you the overview about the project that we're going to build, all right? So we're going to talk about all features that will be included in the websites. Obviously, it's going to be a cryptocurrency price tracking website, so we're going to talk about all things around cryptocurrency, like what are some features that we need to have in our website, stuff like that. So that's chapter 4. And chapter 5, setting up all required tools. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to set up all required tools, from creating your account on WP Taste, which is the WordPress testing platform, and also how to install the plugin. So yeah, I'm just gonna guide you step by step on how to do it, right? And chapter 6, that's like the most important component of this course, building the project, right? That's like the main sections here. So we're going to spend most of our time here in chapter 6. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to build and design cryptocurrency price tracking websites from scratch using a cryptocurrency widget plugin. So yeah, that's going to be very exciting, but also at the same time, it can be quite challenging though. So if you have any questions, um, please guys, just ask like those questions, whatever questions that you have, and I'm also going to try my best to answer your questions, right? Okay, so that's chapter 6. Just let me know, okay? If you need help, just let me know. Chapter 7, once you've built the websites, we're going to be conducting testing to make sure that the cryptocurrency price tracking website has been fully functioning. And not only that, we're also going to make sure that it's easy to use from the user perspective, right? So we're just going to position ourselves as the user of the website and see everything from the user perspective. We're going to assess, we're going to evaluate, is this website easy to use, comfortable to use, easy to navigate, stuff like that. So yeah, that's the testing part. And chapter 8 here, we're going to talk about affordable domain and hosting services, right? So just in case, if you're serious about this project, you really want to launch these websites, obviously you need to have your own domain and your hosting service, right? So we're going to talk about several different options that you can consider. So yeah, that's chapter 8. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 9, how to monetize cryptocurrency price tracking websites, right? So actually, it is very possible for you to turn this into a sustainable passive income business, guys, as long as you know how to monetize it, right? So assuming that you already have a lot of traffic coming into these websites, obviously it is possible for you to monetize this website. So we're just going to talk about 5 or 6 different strategies that you can utilize to monetize your websites, right? Like 6 different business models. Okay, so that's chapter 9. Let's move on to the next one here, which is the last one, chapter 10, conclusion and summary. So in chapter 10, I'm going to summarize all things that we've learned, and also I'm going to share a few tips and tricks on how to take all skills and knowledge that you've learned in this course to another level. Maybe launching your own website, maybe creating your own project, stuff like that, all right? Or maybe monetizing these websites and then resell it to someone else, or you can do whatever you want to do with these websites, guys. There are like many different opportunities that you should explore out there. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. All right, so I'll see you guys there. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to answer this particular question, whom this course is intended for. So based on my analysis, there are 3 types of people who might be interested in this course, and those 3 types of people are also my main target students for this course. So let's talk about the first one here, web developers. People who are interested in web development, especially building and designing WordPress websites. So if you're one of those people, guys, if you are a web developer, or maybe you want to be a web developer in the future and you're interested particularly in WordPress, this is definitely the right course for you guys, because not only that you're going to learn about WordPress and its plugin, you're also going to learn step by step on how to build a fully functioning cryptocurrency price tracking websites from scratch using WordPress. And definitely this is going to be a very valuable experience for you to have. You're going to be able to apply all skills and knowledge to build a real project with the real use cases, guys. And you can put this project on your resume or your portfolio to convince your future clients or convince your future employers that you have the qualifications, you have the skills to build these kind of projects, right? All right, so I think that's it for the first one. Let's move on to the second one here, crypto enthusiasts. So people who have interest in cryptocurrencies market and wanted to build a crypto price tracking websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, for example. If you're one of those people, guys, if you've always been interested in cryptocurrencies, you like to track crypto price, maybe you are a trader, or maybe you're a crypto investor, whatever you are, or perhaps you are interested in building CoinMarketCap clone or a CoinGecko clone, right? This is also the right course for you guys, because you're going to be guided step by step on how to build, how to design a fully functioning cryptocurrency price tracking website from scratch using WordPress. And not only that, we're going to learn how to use crypto widget plugins, right? So that's the plugin that was specifically designed to import a crypto market data to your WordPress website. So you're going to learn a lot of valuable things in this course, guys. You're going to learn a lot of new skills and knowledge about combining WordPress with cryptocurrency together, right? So again, if you are a crypto enthusiast, guys, you're in the right place, right? So let's move on to the third one, which is also like the last one, digital entrepreneurs. So anyone with entrepreneurial mindset and interested in launching a crypto price tracker websites with a long-term goal to drive a lot of traffic to that websites and eventually monetize that website through ads. If you're one of those people, guys, this is also the right course for you. Because not only that we're going to learn from the technical perspective on how to build and design our website from scratch using WordPress, how to integrate the plugins, how to import the data to our website, stuff like that, all those technical stuff. We're also going to learn the business perspective, right? So we're going to learn how to monetize our websites, how to potentially turn this crypto price tracking websites to a sustainable passive income business, guys. We're going to learn 5 or 6 different business models, 5 or 6 different monetization strategies that you should consider to turn this into a business, right? So yeah, if you're digital entrepreneurs, you're looking for a new passive income, this is also the right course for you guys. Alright, so I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'm going to introduce you to all tools and resources that we're going to utilize in this project. So I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to get to know more about the tools and resources that we're going to utilize to build our project, to build our cryptocurrency price tracking website. As you guys can see here, there are 3 main tools that will be utilized. The first one here is TasteWP. So as I explained to you in the previous video, TasteWP is basically a WordPress testing platform that you can use for completely free. And you might be wondering, why don't we use the regular WordPress? Why do we have to use TasteWP instead? Well, let me tell you the reason why. So if you go to your WordPress dashboard and just click on plugins, where is it? Right here. Just click on plugins and then just type in any plugin that you want. I'm just gonna type in cryptocurrency widget, because that's the plugin that we're going to utilize in this project. Alright, so I'm gonna use this as an example and I'm gonna click on it. As you guys can see, it is actually free, right? So basically you don't have to pay anything to install and activate this plugin. However, if you go down here and then see this red button, it says upgrade and activate. So unfortunately, if you are still on a free account, if you're still on a WordPress free account, you won't be able to install and activate this plugin. You need to upgrade your WordPress account from the free versions to the premium versions. However, I'm pretty sure like vast majority of you guys don't have the premium versions, right? So that's the reason why I think it's going to be better if we use TasteWP, where you can install and activate the plugin for completely free. You don't have to upgrade or do anything, just install it, that's it, right? However, if you already have your premium versions account, then just stick with WordPress. That's totally fine, guys. Alright, so that's the reason why we're going to use TasteWP instead. So I'm just gonna click on it and then it will redirect me to this page. As you guys can read, get a taste of WordPress. Set up a new WordPress instance now. So it's relatively straightforward to use, guys. You might want to spend a couple minutes to read all these features. Just make sure that you are familiar with this platform first. So basically this is just like a regular WordPress. When you set up your website, the admin panel looks exactly the same like WordPress, guys. So if you're already familiar with WordPress, I don't see any reason why you might be stuck here. So to set it up, just click on set it up, right? But we're not going to do it in this video. We're going to have another video to guide you step by step on how to do it, right? So we'll get there. Okay, so that's the first tool that we're going to use. The second one here is the cryptocurrency widget, which is the WordPress plugin that we're going to use, right? So just click on this link and it will take you here to this page. So as you guys can rate here, cryptocurrency widgets, price tracker, and coin list. So yeah, it is an ultimate plugin that helps you create shortcodes to display cryptocurrency prices. It supports the CoinGecko API. Alright, so we're going to get our data from CoinGecko API. So obviously the data that we're going to display on our website, I'm pretty sure that data is going to be very reliable data since we get it from CoinGecko, right? And CoinGecko has a very good reputation in the crypto world. So yeah, as you can read here, it allows you to easily design different types of widgets like price labels, price cards, coin lists, and an attractive cryptocurrency price ticker. So yeah, you have like many different options to choose here. So don't worry, you can get this plugin for completely free. So we're not going to spend any money on this plugin. We're just going to use the free versions, all right? And as you guys can see here, there are like several different currency options, but unfortunately, if you chose to go with the free options, you'll only have USD, right? But that's completely fine in my opinion. So we're just gonna stick with USD, right? So we're just going to compare cryptocurrency prices to USD. That's what we're going to do in the project. So yeah, these are like the documentation. So if you have questions, you might want to go to this page and read these descriptions. Hopefully you're going to be able to find answers to your questions on this page, guys. And if you scroll down here, you also have the frequently asked question section. So you might want to read these sections. Maybe they already have answers to your questions, right? So just check this part. And down here, if you're curious and want to know more about the contributors and developers of this WordPress plugin, you can search this name, right? Okay, so I think that's it for the second tool. So this is the WordPress plugin that we're going to use to build our cryptocurrency price tracking website. Let's move on to the third one here. Okay, so the third one is a crypto ad network. So as I explained to you in the previous video, you can actually turn these cryptocurrency price tracking websites into a sustainable passive income business, right? And one of many ways that you can do to monetize your website is by displaying ads, right? So down here, I'm listing like 3 different crypto ad networks that you should consider. So the first one here is Coinzilla, the second one here is A-Ads, and the third one is BitMedia. And you might be wondering, why don't we use Google AdSense instead? Well, to be honest with you, when it comes to like cryptocurrency websites, Google AdSense is not very friendly, guys. Google AdSense doesn't really like cryptocurrencies or stock, forex, that type of investment stuff, guys. So there is higher chance for you to be rejected by Google Ads. That's the reason why I think if you want to monetize your websites by displaying ads, it's better for you to just apply to ad network that aligns with your websites. And these 3, A-Ads, BitMedia, and Coinzilla, these 3 ad networks were created and designed specifically for crypto. As you guys can read here, crypto ad marketplace, right? The first crypto advertising network in the market. And the third one here is Coinzilla. Boost your project with the top crypto advertising networks. So yeah, when you go to these platforms, just click on publishers, right? Because you're going to be the publishers. Just click on publishers, right? So yeah, the CPM the cost per mile that you're going to get might not be as high as Google AdSense, but they have relatively um, less strict regulations compared to Google Ads, and you also have like higher chance to be accepted in their programs, right? So yeah, these are 3 ad networks that you should consider if you want to monetize your websites using ads. I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'm going to introduce you to WordPress. So I'll see you guys there. What's up guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to WordPress. So I'm going to explain the basic fundamentals that you need to know, that you need to understand about WordPress. For those of you who are already familiar with WordPress, feel free to skip this video guys. However, if you're new to WordPress and you want to learn more about WordPress, make sure that you stay in this video and pay very close attention to things that I'm about to explain here in this video. So the first thing that you need to do is to ask yourself this question: what is WordPress? Well, it's a popular and user-friendly content management system, or usually we call it as CMS, right? CMS stands for Content Management System, that allows you to create and manage websites without extensive coding knowledge, powering millions of websites worldwide. All right, so there are lots of websites, there are millions of websites out there that were built using WordPress. And a good news for you, especially if you don't have any programming skills or knowledge, you'll be able to build a WordPress website without having to write a single line of code. That's the beauty of WordPress, guys. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to write a single line of code to build the websites, right? So yeah, that's what WordPress is. Let's move on to the second one here. We're going to talk about the features, right? So WordPress has many different features, but I'm just going to highlight like the most important features that you need to know. The first one here is drag and drop page builder. So many WordPress themes and plugins offer a user-friendly drag and drop page builder, guys, which will allow users to create and customize web pages without having to write a single line of code. This feature simplifies the process of designing and arranging content elements on the site. The second one here is responsive design. So most modern WordPress themes are designed to be responsive, meaning they automatically adapt and adjust their layout to different screen sizes and devices. This particular feature will help you a lot when it comes to compatibility testing, right? Because you need to make sure that your websites looks great and function well on desktop, tablets, and mobile phones. And the last one here is user roles and permissions. So WordPress offers a flexible user management system, or usually we call it as admin panel, that allows website owner to assign different roles and permissions to user. For example, administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber. This determines what actions each user can perform on the website. This feature is very beneficial for multi-author blogs or websites with multiple collaborators, right? So let's say you're not the only one that is in charge of that website, right? You're working with maybe 2 or 3 other people. So having this user management system is going to help you a lot. So those are 3 main WordPress features that you need to be familiar with, right? So let's move on to the next one here, open source. Just to let you know, WordPress is basically an open source platform with a thriving community of developers and enthusiasts who contribute to its growth in sharing content updates and improvements. So for your information, there have been approximately 810 million websites built using WordPress, guys, and this is the data from 2023, right? So I'm pretty sure this data is like the most up-to-date, like the latest data. So can you imagine like 810 million websites that were built using WordPress, guys? So it means that if you have questions, for example, or maybe you're experiencing some issues when it comes to building your website, you can easily find answers or solutions to your questions here on the forum, right? There are lots of people coming into the forum. You can ask your questions on Reddit, on Quora, or other forums, or maybe WordPress forums, and there are lots of WordPress users who are more than glad to help you guys. So yeah, it's an open source community. Okay, and let's talk about the last one here. Easy to customize. So WordPress has a fast plugin architecture and theme system enabling users to customize and enhance the functionality and designs of their website. So let me show you really quick. So just go to WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to show you something very cool here, right? So right now I'm opening my WordPress dashboard, right? So it takes me here. So if you go to appearance and then click on themes, right? Just click on themes. As you guys can see, so I'm just gonna keep scrolling down, right? There are many different themes available for you to use, and there are lots of them that are actually free. As you guys can see, this one is free, this one is free, this one is also free. So yeah, many different themes that you can choose, many different options. Not every single one of them is free. There are like some of them that are paid themes. So if you don't want to spend any money, I'm pretty sure there are like more than enough themes for you to choose here, right? As you guys can see, all of these are free themes, right? So you don't need to design your WordPress websites from complete scratch. Instead, just use one of these themes that you like and then customize it based on your need. Okay, so that's the theme. If you go to plugin, there are also like many different plugins, right? Depending on your purpose. For example, if you want to build an online store, if you want to build a dropshipping store, you can easily install and activate WooCommerce, which is the WordPress plugin for e-commerce, guys, right? This one, WooCommerce. Many different plugins available here. Some of them are free, some of them require you to pay like the subscriptions, fees and stuff like that. So yeah, so it's very easy to customize, guys. You don't need to build from scratch. You don't need to design your website from scratch. Just customize the themes and the plugins that already existed there, right? If you don't want to spend money, that's completely fine. Just pick the free one. There are lots of them, guys. All right, so yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey, hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn more about the WordPress plugin that we're going to utilize to build our project, to build our cryptocurrency price tracking website. And just to remind you, the name of the plugin is Cryptocurrency Widgets, right? And you might be wondering, what is Cryptocurrency Widgets? Well, it's basically a WordPress plugin that facilitates the creations of shortcodes for showcasing cryptocurrency prices. It seamlessly integrates with the CoinGecko.com API, enabling effortless designs of diverse widgets such as price labels, price codes, coin lists, and an appealing cryptocurrency price tracker system. All right, so let's move on to the next one here, pricing. You might be wondering how much it will cost me. Well, there's the good news here. $0, all right? It's going to be completely free. We're not going to spend any money here on this WordPress plugin. Well, actually, Cryptocurrency Widgets has the free versions, but it also has the premium versions or the paid plan, right? But we're just gonna stick with the free versions. If you want to access certain features, then you might want to consider upgrading to the premium plan, but I don't think it's necessary for this project. That's the reason why we're just gonna stick with the free version, right? Let me give you an example. So if you go back to this website, if you remember, in the tools and resources video, just click on the second link. It will take you here, right? It will take you here. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom and go to the frequently asked questions sections, as you guys can right here, this is a very common questions, right? Can I display real-time live price changes? So you might be wondering if the price on your websites is going to be updated automatically. Unfortunately, the answer is no. If you're on free versions, you will not be able to do that, right? You need to upgrade to the premium plan to get the real-time live price changes. However, if you are still on the free versions, to get the latest data, to get the most up-to-date data, you need to refresh, right? Just click refresh. That's how you get the latest data. So yeah, that's just one thing that you gotta keep in mind, guys, right? So if you're in the free versions, the price data needs to be refreshed. It will not update automatically, right? Okay, so that's the pricing. Let's move on to the other sections, API. So we're going to be completely relying upon CoinGecko API, right? So just go to coingecko.com just to show you like what it looks like. It's very similar to CoinMarketCap. Right, so we have these cryptocurrency price data. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, XRP, right? So yeah, the data that we're going to be displaying on our website will look very similar to what you're seeing here on CoinGecko, because this is where we got the data, guys, right? So if you go back to these websites and just click on this one, are you using any third-party APIs? The answer is yes. So they are using a CoinGecko.com API in our free versions. All right. So since we are going to utilize the cryptocurrency widgets plugin for our website, so obviously the data that we will be importing is the data from CoinGecko, right? Because we are in the free versions. All right. So yeah, just to let you know that informations. I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain the general overview about the project that we're going to build. So I'm going to explain like how the website should look like, and also what features that your website is going to have, right? So we're going to use CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko as our example. So yeah, just click on these two links, and then actually I already opened these two websites on the other tab. So yeah, let's talk about the first one here. We're going to have a fully functioning WordPress crypto price tracking websites. That's very obvious, right? Fully functioning website. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. As you guys can see here, CoinMarketCap has the name of the coin, this column, for example, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, also the price, the current price. What else? Market cap, right? Transactions volume in the last 24 hours and circulating supply. So yeah, the data that we're going to be displaying on our website will look very similar to this. Maybe not exactly the same, right? Not exactly the same like CoinMarketCap, but the concept is very similar. The same thing with CoinGecko, right? Has the coins name, price, transactions volume within the last 24 hours, market cap. So yeah, it will look very similar to this, but not exactly the same, right? Just keep that in mind. It's not gonna look exactly the same, but very similar. And the second one here, we're going to have a user-friendly interface, and also we're going to make sure that the website is comfortable to use. So we're going to position ourselves as the user of the websites and see if it's actually easy to navigate, if it's easy to use, right? From the user perspective. Okay, so that's the second one. The third one here, we're going to have a full integrations with Cryptocurrency Widgets plugin. So we're going to install our plugin to our WordPress, and we're going to activate the plugin, and we're going to import the cryptocurrency price data to our website using that plugin. And for the currency, we're going to stick with USD. Well, actually, we don't have any options because we are going to use the free plan. So we can only display the USD price, guys, unfortunately. But yeah, I don't think that's an issue. So yeah, I'm totally fine with that. All right. So yeah, I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to start setting up all required tools for our project. All right, so I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create your account on TasteWP, and also how to set up your first WordPress websites there. All right, so I'll see you guys there. What's up guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn step by step on how to set up your account on tastewp.com and also build your first WordPress websites using tastewp. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is to go to tastewp.com. Just click on this link. Alright, it will take you here, and it's very easy and straightforward. Just click on set it up, but before that, just click on I agree with the terms and conditions button. Just make sure that you read the terms and conditions just to make sure that you're familiar with it, and click set it up. Right? Okay, so wait for it. Currently working on. Okay, cool. So this is the URL for your websites. This is the name, right? Just like a random name, not your name, because we haven't even signed up yet. We haven't even entered our email address yet. So what tastewp did was to just generate very random name, right? So Vengeful Mark, and this is the URL. So just copy your URL, copy your username and also your password, right? So I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Just click copy, right? And then make sure that you save these informations, because if you forgot your password, then you won't be able to access your WordPress dashboard, unfortunately. So yeah, just click on access it now. But before that, make sure that you've saved this, right? You might want to take a screenshot of this just to make sure you have all these informations, right? Okay, so now you're going to be redirected to WordPress dashboard, as you guys can see here. So yeah, I'm just gonna click okay, I got it. Alright, so here we go. The dashboard looks exactly the same like regular WordPress dashboard, right? So if you see on the left side of the screen, you have posts, media, pages, comments, spectra, appearance, plugin, users, tools, settings, redirections. All of these are exactly the same like the regular WordPress dashboard, right? So just go to users really quick. All right, just go to users. Make sure that well, you're the only one, right? You're the only users here, right? So just in case if you want to add someone else as the admin for this website, just add it here, right? We're going to install our plugin in the next video, not in this video. So it's very easy. Just type in the name of the plugin here, and then find the one that you want to install, and then just install it. And then once you have installed it, just activate that plugin, right? If you go to settings, as you guys can see, this is the URL. Unfortunately, you cannot change the URL, right? So this was given to you by default. You can also change the name of the site. As I explained to you previously, it was generated randomly, Vengeful Mark. So I'm just gonna change this into the name that is actually relevant to the project that we're going to build, right? Which is Crypto Price Tracker. So yeah, that's the name of the websites. What else? You can also change the time zone, the language. Right, so yeah, I'm just gonna save changes. Right, so I'm just gonna click on this. Just make sure that the just make sure that the change has been saved. That's it. If you want to see what your website looks like, well, it's still going to be empty website, guys. We haven't added anything. We haven't modified anything here, so it's going to be like blank websites like this. As you guys can see, we only have like hello world, welcome to WordPress. So yeah, there's nothing going on here. So yeah, guys, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video, where I'm going to guide you step by step on how to install and activate your cryptocurrency widgets plugin, right? Because we need that to import the crypto price data to our website. So I'll see you guys there. What's up guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to install cryptocurrency widget plugin and also activate that plugin. All right, so yeah, just go to this link. All right, click on this link, it will take you here. Just remember, this is the icon for the plugin. All right, so make sure that you pick the right one. All right, so just go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins. All right, just click on plugin. Click on add new plugin, right? And just type in cryptocurrency widget. Or maybe if you don't want to misspell it, you can just copy this, right? Copy this and then paste it here. Right, so I'm just gonna hit enter and okay, cool, this one. So I'm just gonna click on install now. All right, so just click on install now. Right now it's installing, so just wait. Please be patient, guys. All right, cool. So now it has been installed. So the next thing that we need to do is to click activate, because we want to activate this plugin, right? So just click on activate. Okay, very cool. Now it is activating the plugin. All right, so as you guys can see here on the left side of your screen, the cryptocurrency plugins has been added. Okay, so just click on dashboard. You can see like what it looks like. So yeah, this is like the current versions, 2.6.3. I'm pretty sure this is like the latest versions, right? So yeah, just recheck it. If you go to these websites, as you guys can see, like the latest versions is 2.6.3, and the one that we installed was also 2.6.3. Sounds good. And another informations, if you go here, it was updated like last month, right? So this is like the new versions. And let's go to all widgets, right? Just click on all widgets. As you guys can see, there's nothing here because we haven't added anything. We haven't created our widget yet, so it totally makes sense if you don't see anything here. It's supposed to be empty, right? Okay, don't worry. In the next video, we're going to add a new widget, right? But not in this video. We're going to do it in the next video. So if you go to setting, just click on settings. As you guys can see, we're on the free account, so we're going to use CoinGecko API, right? So yeah, and you can also change the catch time here, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna stick with 5 minutes. All right, so yeah, I'm not gonna change anything here. I think that's it. That's all you need to know about this cryptocurrency widgets plugin. We're going to add widgets and do some modifications in the next video, so I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach and guide you step by step on how to add a new widget. So just click on cryptocurrency plugins and then click on add new widget. Just click on it and it will take you here, right? So the first thing that you need to do is to give a title, right? To name your widget. So I'm just gonna name it as crypto widget 1, right? Just like a random name. You can name it whatever you want. And down here, as you guys can see, we have a widget type. So there are like 5 different options that you can choose. We have advanced stable, we have simple list, we have ticker, we have multiple currency tabs, and also price label, right? So we're going to use advanced stable, but just to give you a quick example here, I'm gonna use a ticker, right? And down here, you can also choose like the amount of coins that you want to be displayed. For example, just top 10 coins, top 50, top 100, top 200, or all. There are 250 coins in total. So I don't want it to be very long, so I'm just gonna choose the first one, top 10. So I'm just going to display like the top 10 coins, right? And down here, you can also select the currency, but just to let you know that we are currently on a free account, so we're just gonna stick with US dollar, right? Okay, so display 24 hours changes. It's totally up to you. If you want to do it, then check this box. If you don't want, then just uncheck this box. All right, so I'm just gonna keep this box checked, and you can also choose like where the ticker will be displayed, maybe in the header, footer, or anywhere. So I'm just gonna click on header, right? So I want the ticker to be displayed on header, just for examples, right? Ticker position stops, you can also like specify the locations of the ticker, all right? So the unit is pixel, just for your informations. You can also change the speed of ticker, as you guys can see here. Low value, it means high speed. So the lower the value that you give here, the higher the speed is going to be, right? And also the recommendation is between 10 to 60. All right, so just multiply that number. For example, if you pick 10, just multiply that number by 1,000, so you got 10,000 milliseconds. So that's like the unit, the measurement unit. All right, you can also change the background color. By default, it's a white. If you want to change it to blue or maybe yellow, it's totally up to you. All right, I'm gonna go with yellow this time. And you can also change the font color. I'm just gonna stick with black, but if you want to change the color, maybe you want to change it to brown or maybe blue, red, green, purple, totally up to you guys. You can also add like custom CSS code if you have to, but if you don't want to, then just keep this blank. I'm not gonna add anything here. I'm not going to add any modifications to the custom CSS sections, so I'm just gonna leave this empty, right? Okay, so that's it. If you're curious like what it looks like, so just click on preview, right? So we can see what it looks like. Well, unfortunately, we forgot to publish this. I'm just gonna click publish first, right? So now I'm publishing this, and then I'm going to click preview change. All right, so this is the ticker, right? What you guys are seeing here is the ticker that we've just added. Very cool, right? The background color is yellow, and also the font color is black, and you know it's pretty slow, right? If you want to increase the speed, you can do it by changing this number, right? So remember, low value, high speed, right? So if you want the speed to be even higher, just decrease the value from 35 maybe to 25. Just play around with the number, right? Just to experiment with the number. Maybe if it is too slow, then you might want to change the number. Okay, so yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. Actually, we're not going to be focusing too much on ticker. Instead, we're going to display a full cryptocurrency table, right? So this is just an example on how you add widgets here, but we're not going to add this to our website, so we're going to delete this later, right? So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to add several different pages to our WordPress website. All right, so let's go to add new widget. So just click on add new widget, and if you go down here and then click on widget type, as you guys can see, there are several different options. There are several different types. We have advanced table, we have simple list, ticker, multi-currency tabs, and price label, right? In the previous video, if you remember, we already added ticker to our websites, right? So if you click on preview website, if you click on visit site, as you guys can see, we already added this ticker in the previous video, right? Okay, so we're going to create 3 pages on our WordPress, one for advanced table, the second one for simple list, the third one for multi-currency tabs, right? So yeah, let's do it. The first thing that you need to do is to click on pages, right? So as you guys can see, there is nothing here. We haven't added anything here. We haven't created any page. That's the reason why you don't see anything here. So to add new page, it's very easy, very simple. Just click on add new, right? Okay, so the first page that we're going to create is for the simple list, right? So I'm just going to type in simple crypto list, right? And to publish this page, just click publish. Very easy, very straightforward. And then this is like the confirmations that you want to publish this page to your WordPress. Just click on publish. Okay, so it might take like a couple of seconds, and then finally it's done. Okay, cool. As you guys can right here, this page has been published. To check it, just go back to all pages, and then as you guys can see, this page has been added here. This page has been published. To view it, just click on view. Right, just click on view, and as you guys can see, this is the page, simple crypto list, right? and we haven't added anything here. We haven't added any content to this page, so that's the reason why it's still empty. There's nothing here, right? Okay, so we're going to create the new page, the second page actually. So I'm just gonna click add new, and this time we're going to create the page for advanced table, right? Advanced crypto table. And to publish this page, just do the same thing that we did previously. Just click on publish, and then this is the confirmations that you want to publish this page. So just click publish again. And okay, very cool. The page has been published. So just to make sure, just go back to the dashboard, and then as you guys can see, advanced crypto table has also been added here. If you want to view it, just click view. All right, and then it will take you here. As you guys can see, now we have two different pages. So the first one here is advanced crypto table, and the second one is simple crypto list, right? Let's add one more page, then we will be done, right? So I'm just gonna click add new, but unfortunately I forget what is the name supposed to be. So let's go back to add new widget. I really apologize, guys. Okay, so it's multi-currency tabs, right? So let's go back to the page. Just click on add pages, add new, and we're just going to name this page as multi-currency tabs, right? And I'm just gonna publish this page. Just do the same thing that we did. So just click on publish, and okay, cool. The page has been published, and now we have 3 pages in total, right? So if you want to make sure that this page has been published, it's very easy, very straightforward. Just click on visit site, and it will show that you have 3 different pages, right? Advanced crypto table, multi-currency tabs, and simple crypto list, right? So now you have 3 pages in total. Okay, very cool. So let's go back to our dashboard, and then I think that's it, guys. In the next video, we're going to add the simple crypto list to our website, right? So let's go back to dashboard for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to add a simple cryptocurrency list to your website. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on add new widget. But before that, let's go to all widget. As you guys can see, so far we only have like one crypto widget, right? This is the ticker. If you remember, we already added this in the previous video. So the ticker is something like this, like what you're seeing up here, right? This yellow object. This is the ticker, right? So now we're going to add another crypto widget. So just click add new. You have 2 options. Either you want to click add new here, or just click add new widgets down here, right? And I'm going to type in simple list, right? So this is going to be the name of our widget, right? I'm just going to name this as simple list because I want it to be consistent with the actual content. So for the widget type, so we're just gonna click simple list, and as you guys can see here, we have several different options. You want to display like the top 10 cryptocurrencies, top 50, top 100, top 200, or all. If you choose all, there'll be like 250 cryptocurrencies in total, right? So it's totally up to you. So I'm just gonna display the top 10, right? I don't want it to be very long. I don't want the list to be very long. So I'm just gonna display the top 10 cryptocurrencies on my website. But again, it's totally up to you. And for the fiat currency, I'm just gonna choose USD, right? I'm gonna stick with USD. But if you are on free account, I believe that USD is the only options for you, unfortunately. So if you're on free account, just like myself, just stick with USD, guys. All right. And down here, there's a questions. Display 24-hour changes, optional. Well, if you check this box, it means that you're going to be able to see the 24-hour changes in percentage, right? I'm going to display that, so I'm just gonna keep this box checked. But if you don't want that, just uncheck this box, right? It's totally up to you. Okay, so for the background color, I'm going to go with blue, right? Just like light blue this time, or maybe not blue, maybe green. like light green, I guess, like this green. For the font color, I'm going to stick with black, right? And down here you have like custom CSS code sections. So if you want to modify the appearance of your websites, you can add additional CSS code, but I'm not going to add anything here. I'm just gonna leave this box blank. I'm not going to play around with the CSS, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave this the way as it is. All right, very cool. And what else? I think that's it, guys. All right. Just don't forget to hit publish, because if you haven't hit publish, then obviously this hasn't been published yet. So I'm just gonna hit publish. And okay, very cool. So this is what you're supposed to see on your website. Okay, so we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Tether, we have BNB, Binance, we have XRP, we have USD, we have Lido, Dogecoin, Cardano, and Solana, right? So these are like the top 10 coins. And if you want to display like top 50 coins, just click top 50 and then click update, right? But for now, I don't want it to be very long, so I'm just gonna stay with 10 coins, right? Okay, so if you click on visit site, just click on it like this. And then if you click on simple crypto list, you might be wondering why this table hasn't appeared here yet. Well, let me tell you the reason why. Just actually we need to copy this code, right? So as you guys can read here, backend preview may be a little bit different from front end or actual view. Add this shortcode on any page for front end view, right? So what we need to do next is to copy this, all right? Make sure that you copy this, the exact same code, right? If it's different, then the table will not appear on your website. So make sure it is exactly the same, right? So just copy this. And let's go to our page, click all pages. And just click on simple crypto list and then click edit, all right? And we're going to add that short code right here, okay? So I'm just gonna edit here, and then I'm going to click update. Okay, very cool. Now it has been updated. So let's go back, and you might want to like refresh the page, and we can click on visit site just to see what it looks like, right? So if we go to simple crypto list, as you guys can see, these simple cryptocurrency list, like the top 10 coins, has appeared on our website. It's very cool, right? So you have the name of the coin, for example, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, and XRP. You also have the price. So right now, Bitcoin is equivalent to, one Bitcoin is equivalent to $29,136. And this is like the 24 hours change. So for Bitcoins, it's down by 0.09%. For BNB, it's up by 0.5%. So yeah, that's the change percentage in the past 24 hours, right? Okay, very cool. You can feel free to customize this table. Maybe you want to change the color if you don't really like green. Maybe you want it to be yellow, or maybe you want it to be blue. It's totally up to you guys. Very easy, very straightforward to customize, right? Just go back to your widget, all right? Just click on edit, right? Click on edit, and then if you want to customize it, if you want to change the color, it's very easy. Just play around with this background color, or maybe if you even want to change the font color, you don't want it to be black, just change this color. It's very easy and very straightforward, all right? Okay, very cool. I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video, where I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do a very similar thing, but instead of a simple crypto list, we're going to add multi-currency tabs on our websites, right? So I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to add multi-tabs currency to our WordPress website. And the process is going to be relatively similar to what we did previously in the previous video. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on add new widget, right? and you need to name this. I'm just going to name this as multi-currency tab. Just try to be consistent with the actual content that we're going to add to our website. So yeah, multi-currency tab. And down here in widget type, I'm just going to click on multi-currency tabs. All right, so multi-currency tabs. And as you guys can see, you have several different options here. So you can display like the top 10 coins, top 50 coins, top 100 coins, top 200 coins, or all. If you choose all, then you're going to display like 250 coins in total, right? So in the previous video, we already chose the first options like top 10 coins. So I think I'm just going to show you like different examples. So in this video, I'm going to click on top 50, right? So for the multi-currency tabs, we're going to be displaying top 50 cryptocurrency coins, right? So the table or the list is going to be longer compared to the previous one. And you can also check this box if you want to display 24-hour changes, but it's totally up to you. If you don't want to, just uncheck that box. Okay, so now just choose the background color. I'm gonna go with light blue this time, right? So I'm looking for light blue, maybe like this, right? I think I like it. For the font color, I'm just gonna stick with black, but feel free to change the font color if you want to. If you don't want black, just change it to whatever you want. It's not really a big deal. And down here we have custom CSS. So if you want to add custom CSS code here, if you want to modify, just feel free to add your custom CSS code here, but I don't want to add anything here, so I'm just gonna leave this blank. All right, that's it. I'm just gonna hit publish. All right, make sure that you hit publish. If not, then you're not going to be able to see the multi-currency tabs on your websites. Make sure you publish this first. Okay, very cool. As I mentioned previously, the table is going to be very long because we're going to be displaying like 50 coins, top 50 coins, right? As you guys can see, in this table, we're able to see Bitcoin price in USD, in Europe, in pound sterling, in Australian dollars, and in Japanese yen, right? So we have like 5 different currencies. So kind of the same process that we did in the previous video. If you want to display this on your websites, it will not be displayed automatically, right? So if you go to visit site, just click on it, and then if you click on multi-currency tabs, we haven't added anything yet. That's the reason why you see nothing here. So kind of the same process, just copy and paste this code, all right? Make sure that you copy the exact same code, otherwise it's not gonna work. And just go to pages and then click on multi-currency tabs, just click edit, and then you need to paste that short code here, right? And also click update. Don't forget to update this. Okay, very cool. Now this page has been updated, and let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. You might want to refresh this just to make sure that the change has been saved. And the next thing that you need to do is to click visit site. Just click on it and it will take you here, right? And then if you click on multi-currency tabs, this is what you're going to see. All right, very cool. So we have multi-currency tabs for the top 50 coins. So we have Bitcoins, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, XRP, and down here, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, we also have like Algorand, Aave, Maker. Not really familiar with this crypto, to be honest. Near protocol. What else? Chronos, H-bar, right? So we have many different type of cryptocurrencies here because we're displaying the top 50. And if you want to see the price in euro, you can also do it by clicking on this. Okay, so Bitcoin, one Bitcoin is equivalent to $29,000. And if you click on euro, one Bitcoin is equivalent to 23,000 euro. If you click on pound sterling, one Bitcoin is equivalent to 20,000 pounds. If you click on Australian dollar, one Bitcoin is equivalent to $37,000. And if you click on Japanese yen, 1 Bitcoin is equivalent to like 3 million, right? 3 million Japanese yen. Okay, very cool. So that's how you do it, guys. Very easy, very straightforward process, right? We're going to do the same thing for advanced table in the next video. So I will see you guys there. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to add one more thing to our website, and that's going to be advanced table, right? So just click on add new widget and then click on advanced table, right? So just type in advanced table up here, right? So that's going to be the name for this widget because I want it to be consistent with the content that we're going to be displaying on our website. And for the widget tab, just click on advanced table, right? So you might be wondering, what is advanced table? What is the difference between advanced table and simple list? Well, the answer is very easy. If we're talking about advanced table, you're going to be able to see like the transactions volume, you're going to be able to see the market cap and other informations related to that crypto, right? However, if we're talking about simple list, all we're going to see is just the name of the coin and the price and the 24-hour change. That's it. Okay, so that's like the difference. So we're going to have like more complex, more detailed information about the cryptocurrencies, right? So down here, I'm just going to display like all of them, or maybe just the top 100, right? I don't want it to be very long. I don't want the table to be very long. So I'm just gonna display the top 100 coins, right? And by default, it's going to be USD, so I'm not going to change this. And down here, you have records per page, and you have 4 options. You have 10, 25, 50, and 100. And you might be wondering, what is record per page? So let me explain, guys. So despite the fact that we're going to be displaying 100 coins on our website, but some of you might think, well, the table is going to be very long, right? And if you don't want the table to be very long, actually, there is a good news for you. So just utilize this tool. So if you click on 10, it means that you're going to be splitting your 100 coins by 10, right? So you're only going to see 10 coins per page, right? Or maybe if you click on 25, you're going to have 4 pages in total. So you just divide this number 100 by 25. You're going to have 4 pages in total, and each page is going to display 25 coins, right? So the table is not going to be very long if you choose to utilize this tool, right? So I'm just gonna go with 25 because I don't want the table to be very long, because if we're going to be displaying top 100 coins, then it's kind of annoying for you to, you know, keep scrolling down. Instead, we're just going to split 100 by 4 pages. So each page is going to display 25 coins. And if you want to move to the next page, just click the arrow, and that's it. Very simple. Okay, and down here, you can also enable the formatting, right? So like if you want to display market cap, volume, and supply in millions or billions, if you want that, just click make sure that you click this, make sure that this box is checked. But if you don't want to display the market cap, volume, transactions, and supply, just uncheck this box. I want all of them to be included, so I'm just going to check this box. And just the same thing like the previous one, custom CSS. If you don't want to add anything here, that's totally fine. I'm not going to add anything here, but if you have you know, custom CSS code that you want to be added, just feel free to add that code here, right? Okay, very cool. I'm just gonna click publish, right? Just gonna click publish, and that's it. All right, so this is what we're going to see. Very cool, right? So we have the cryptocurrencies, the price, the changes per 24 hours, the changes within 24 hours, the market cap, the volume transactions, and also the supply. And kind of the same process like what we did previously. We need to copy this. Make sure that you copy and paste this same exact code here, and just go to pages and click on advanced crypto table, and then click on edit, and then we're going to copy and paste that short code here, right? Make sure that you copy and paste the same exact code, otherwise not gonna work. All right, so don't forget to click update. Okay, very cool. So now the page has been updated, and let's go back to WordPress dashboard, and let's click on visit site. So we're just going to make sure that the table has been added. So if you click on advanced crypto table, Okay, very cool. As you guys can see, in the first page, we are only displaying 25 cryptos. And then if you click on next page, you're going to see another 25, right? So very cool. So you have the price, you have changes within 24 hours, you have market cap, you have the transactions volume, and also the supply. Very detailed informations about the crypto, right? Okay, so I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. What's up guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to do one more thing to our website to make sure that it looks beautiful. Alright, so we're going to add the theme to our websites, alright, just to make sure that our cryptocurrency price tracking website looks beautiful. So I'm going to click on appearance and then click on themes, right? So we're not going to spend any money here, we're not going to buy any theme, we're going to just use the free theme, right? Free theme that is available for us to use. So just click add new, very easy, just click on add new, and we're going to pick the one that is free, right? So you don't have to pick the same theme that I'm going to pick here, all right? Feel free to pick any theme that you want. It doesn't really matter, all right? Just pick whichever you want. So I'm looking for a crypto theme, so I'm just going to type in crypto here. So I'm trying to find cryptocurrency theme that is free, all right? Because I don't want to spend any money here. Okay, so we got crypto coin light, what else? Cryptocurrency insights, crypto tokens, crypto compare, crypto mining, crypto airdrops, crypto store. It looks like NFT store, I guess. Cryptocurrency exchange, cryptocurrency news, I guess. Not many options down here. So I'm just gonna scroll back up, and I guess I'm gonna go with this one, or maybe this one. It's kind of hard to decide because both of them look great. But I'm just gonna pick this one, I guess. So I'm just gonna click preview, right? So I just want to make sure that this theme looks great on my website. So we'll see, right? Alright, I think it looks great, so I'm just gonna install that theme. Alright, so I'm gonna click add new again. Going to type in crypto. Okay, so it's still loading, and I'm going to click install, right? Okay, so now it's installing the theme, and I'm really sure this is free, so we're not going to spend any money. Okay, cool. So it seems that this theme has been installed. So I'm just going to check this. So I'm just gonna click on themes, and we need to activate this theme, right? Because right now the active theme is this one, the Astra theme. So I'm going to activate this. I'm just gonna click on activate. Or before that, if you're not really sure, you can click on live preview just to see if it looks great. Okay, so I'm just gonna click like live preview just to see if it looks great. Okay, so I think I like it. Just gonna click on activate, right? So okay, very cool. So now the team has been activated. We've just activated this team. Alright, so let's go back to dashboard, and we're going to see how the website will look like with the new team, right? I'm just gonna click visit site, and we'll see. Okay, so it looks like this. If we go to multi-currency tabs, if we go to simple crypto list, well, it looks great in my opinion. I don't know about you, but feel free to pick whichever team that you want, right? So if we go back to themes, there are like many free themes available for you to use. So let's go back to themes, and I'm just gonna click add new again, and then just type in crypto, or maybe it doesn't have to be like a crypto related theme. If you find any theme that you like, just pick that one, right? So maybe you like a dark theme like this, right? Make sure it's free. If it is free, then you can install it, and then you can just activate the theme. So I'm installing this theme right now, and then okay, very cool, it has been installed. And then let's go back to the themes. Just click themes, and we're going to activate this theme, right? So I'm going to click activate, and I'm pretty sure this is free, right? This is a free theme that you can use. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this notifications. Okay, very cool. So now this theme has been activated. So if you want to see what it looks like, so just click on visit site, and then we'll see what it looks like. Right, so if you click on advanced crypto table, this is our crypto, right? Very cool. And this is our crypto list. If you click on multi-currency tabs, this is what it looks like, right? If you click on simple crypto list, it looks very cool, right? So yeah, just play around with the theme, guys. There are many different themes that are available for you for completely free, so you don't have to spend any money on the theme, right? So I'm just gonna close this. I think that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to be conducting testing to make sure that the website has been fully functioning. And not only that, we're also going to make sure that the website is easy to use. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be conducting testing to make sure that the cryptocurrency price tracking website that we've built in the previous video has been fully functioning. And not only that, we're also going to make sure that the website is easy to use, it's comfortable to use, and easy to navigate, right, from the user perspective. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're on the website. We are currently on the cryptocurrency price tracking website that we just built. Okay, so right now I'm on the advanced crypto table page, and as you guys can see here, if we scroll down, if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we can see coin number 25, right? Because we're displaying 100 coins in total, but we split that into like 4 pages because we don't want the table to be very long, right? So the first thing that we're going to test is this button, previous and next button, right? So if we click next, you're going to be redirected to the next page, right? So this is coin 26. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, it's coin 50, right? And if you click next again, if you scroll up, this is coin 51, and then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, it's coin 75, right? So the first page you have coin 1 to coin 25, in the second page you have coin 26 to coin 50, and then in the third page you have coin 51 to 75, and in the last page you have coin 76. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, it's coin 100, right? Coin flocks. Okay, so it seems that this button has been fully functioning, so I don't see any problem with this button. Okay, so I think for this page, advanced crypto table, everything is all right. So let's go to other page. If we click on multi-currency tabs, all right, so just click on it. Okay, very cool. So now we are on multi-currency tabs. We just want to make sure that these tabs work well, right? So right now we are on the USD tab. So as you guys can see here, for example, like XRP, one XRP is equivalent to 66 cents, right? If we click on Europe, right? So just click on Europe. One XRP is equivalent to 54 cents. If you click on pounds, one XRP is equivalent to 47 cents. If you click on Australian dollars, one XRP is equivalent to 86 cents. And Japanese yen, if you click on it, one XRP is equivalent to 69.6 Japanese yen. Alright, so it seems that all these tabs have been fully functioning. So just play around with this just to make sure that this step work, right? Okay, so I think we're done with this page. There's nothing wrong with this page, so I'll just move to the next page here. Simple crypto list, right? There's no button that we can click here, so I don't know what we need to test here. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna skip this part, right? All right, so another thing that I want to check, another thing that I want to test is the accuracy of the price, guys. So as I explained to you in the previous video, if we use this plugin, we completely rely upon CoinGecko API data, right? So it seems that the data that we're displaying here should be relatively the same with the CoinGecko API's data. So if we type in CoinGecko, right? If you type in CoinGecko, and then you see one Bitcoin is equivalent to $29,146, right? Okay, so it seems that the price hasn't been updated yet. The reason why is, let me remind you, if you're on free account, you won't be able to have the live price updated automatically. Instead, you need to keep refreshing the page. Unfortunately, that's the case if you're on a free account, right? So let's refresh this page, right? Just gonna refresh this once again. So let's click visit site, and then let's refresh the CoinGecko API at the same time, and then we'll see if the price matches, right? Because it's very crucial for us to make sure that the price matches, because we are relying upon CoinGecko data, right? Okay, so $29,143. So it's $29,146. Okay, so the price hasn't matched yet, so it seems that we need to do it once again just to make sure. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to refresh CoinGecko, right? Okay, $29,143, and then we also got $29,143. So it seems that the price matches. Let's check the Ethereum. It's $1,832. Yeah, it's also exactly the same, $1,832, right? So yeah, cool. It seems that the data that we're displaying here is valid, right? Because the data is supposed to be the same to CoinGecko, right? Since we got the data from CoinGecko API. So yeah, it looks great. So I think that's it, guys, for this video. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to talk more about our website testing objectives. Okay, so I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn more about the website testing objectives, and there are 4 main testing objectives that we need to be concentrating on. So the first one here is functionality testing. The objective of this testing is to ensure that the website functions correctly and meets its specified requirements, identifying any defects or inconsistency in its features and functionalities, right? Let me show you an example. So let's say we're using these websites as our case study. There are like 3 pages, right? So the first one here is advanced crypto table. The second one is multi-currency tabs, and the third one is simple crypto list. The very first thing that you need to do is to be able to identify the functionality of its page, right? So for example, the first one here is advanced crypto table, right? So the functionality of this page is to display detailed versions of the crypto price, right? Which includes the market cap, the transactions volume, the supply, the changes within the last 24 hours, and also like the current price. So the easy way to make sure that it works correctly is just to do the same thing like what we did in the previous video. So we refresh this, and then we see if the price has been updated, and then we open coingecko.com and see if it reflects the actual price. Okay, so yeah, that's the functionality testing, guys. It's kind of easy when we use this website as our case study, because there are not many features in these websites. However, if you're building a website with more complex features, then my advice is to take a note, guys. So you need to take a note. For example, you have like 50 or maybe 100 features. You need to take a note, and then when you're doing the testing, you need to just test every single one of them and make sure that every single one of them works and functions properly, right? So that's how you keep track of all those features. Okay, so that's the first one, functionality testing. And the second one here is user experience. So the objective of this testing is to evaluate this website from the end user perspective, focusing on its usability and intuitiveness and overall satisfactions, aiming to enhance the user interface and overall experience. All right, I'm going to change this, not software, it's supposed to be website. Really apologize. So when you're opening these websites and you try to position yourself as the user of these websites, just evaluate, guys, if there are things that could be done to improve the user experience. Maybe you need to move the button to the left or maybe you need to move this button to the bottom, right? Or yeah, just think about it. What could be done to improve the quality of the websites, right? Or maybe if you go to multi-current tabs, and we have like 5 different tabs here. What if we actually create a filter here? So for instance, you just want to see USD, and then you can do it by filtering the currency, right? So yeah, there are many things that could be done. There are many things that could be modified from these websites to make it better. So you just spend some times and try to assess what could be done to make this more beautiful, right? Okay, so that's the second testing objective. Let's talk about the third testing objective, which is performance testing. So the objective of performance testing is to assess the website's responsiveness, stability, and scalability under various conditions to determine its efficiency throughout and resource utilizations, guys. So if we're talking about website that only gets, let's say, 10 visitors per day or maybe 100 visitors per day, then obviously it's not a big deal, right? The server will be able to handle it. However, if your website gets a lot of traffic, maybe like 1 million people coming to your websites every day, do you think your website is going to be able to handle that? Do you think your website is not going to crash? So you need to test that, right? And it's very essential, guys. Even though your website doesn't have a lot of traffic, but making sure that your website has the ability to handle a lot of traffic, it's very essential, right? So yeah, that's performance testing. We just want to make sure that our websites is able to handle a lot of traffic coming in. And the last one here is compatibility testing. So the objective of compatibility testing is to verify that the website performs as intended across different devices, browsers, operating system, and network environments, ensuring a consistent user experience. The good news here is if you build your websites using WordPress, you don't need to worry about compatibility testing at all, because your website is going to be adjusted and adapted automatically, right? So whether you're opening your website on desktop, whether you're opening your websites on other devices, maybe your iPad or your phone, it's gonna be the same. However, if you're building your websites using a different tool other than WordPress, then you might want to pay very close attention to compatibility testing, guys. So when you're opening your websites on desktop and it seems that everything goes smoothly, there's no problem at all, it does not necessarily mean that it's also going to work fine if you open it on different device or different operating system. You still need to check, right? You still need to test your websites on different operating systems or different devices just to make sure it works. And yeah, guys, so those are 4 testing objectives that you need to pay very close attention to when it comes to testing your websites. I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to talk about affordable domain and hosting services. So I'll see you guys there. What's up guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about affordable domain and hosting services. As you guys can see, I'm listing 4 different hosting providers. The first one here is Bluehost, the second one is Namecheap, the third one is Ionos, and the fourth one is Hostinger. Actually, there are lots of hosting service providers that have relatively cheap price, but among many options, I'm just going to list these 4 because in my opinion, and also based on my personal experience, these 4 are the best quality and also like the most reliable ones. So that's the reason why I'm listing these 4 hosting providers. So if you're really serious about launching your first cryptocurrency price tracking websites, obviously you need to have your own domain, right? And also your hosting. So let's talk about the first one here, Bluehost. So just click on it. Actually, I already opened it on the other tab, so right here. So welcome to Bluehost. So if you scroll down, as you guys can see, they have several different packages here. So the first one is the basic. So it will cost you like $2.95, and it can host like 1 website only. So if you only have like 1 website, then just go with this plan, right? And there's a limit, like 10 gigabyte SSD storage. That's the data limit. Okay, so it will cost you like $2.95, guys. All right, and the second one here will cost you like $5. The third one costs you almost $10, and the fourth one, the pro versions, cost you almost $14. So if you're just starting, I really recommend you to just start with this one, which costs you like $2.95 or $3, right? To be honest with you, I've never used Bluehost for hosting WordPress. I've used Bluehost to host like other type of websites, but not for WordPress. So I don't really have experience hosting WordPress on Bluehost, but I've heard lots of positive experience from my friends hosting their websites, their WordPress websites, on Bluehost. Right, so that's the first options. It costs you like $3 per month. So if you just multiply that by 12, so it will cost you like $36 annually, right? Just multiply that by 12. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's move on to the second one here. It's called Namecheap, all right? So yeah, just go to namecheap.com, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, well, not scroll all the way to the bottom, just right here, right? So as you guys can see, if you click on WordPress, so Namecheap offers WordPress hosting. They have like 6 different packages. The first one will cost you like $0, so it's completely free for the first month, and then after that you're going to pay $3.98 per month. All right, so it's kind of close to $4. So that's the first one. And the second one here is Easy WP Turbo. It will cost you $0 per month, so it's completely free, right? And the third one also $0 per month. The fourth one here, it will cost you like $35 per year, so it's almost like $36 per year, so it's like $3 per month, right? And then another one here, also kind of the same, $34 per month per year, and also this is like the most expensive one, which costs you like $69 per year, right? So yeah, if you're just starting, just go with the free one. Okay, so that's Namecheap. Let's move on to Ionos. All right, so this is Ionos. If you scroll down, just click on See Plans. All right, just click on See Plans, and then it will take us here. Okay, and then click on See Plans. Okay, so as you guys can see here, they have like 3 different packages. The first one costs you like $1 per month, so you're going to pay approximately $12 per year, so just multiply 1 by 12, right? And the second one here costs you $2 per month, and then I think this is like the premium package, which costs you like $6 per month. So if you only want to host like 1 website, then this is like the right package. There is a data limit, so 50 gigabyte, and also free domain. That's the best thing, right? That's the best thing that you can get. So actually you can get like a free domain, so that's very cool. And also free SSL. So yeah, that's Ionos, guys. That's like the cheapest one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's the cheapest one. All right, so I'm just gonna close this, and the last one is Hostinger. So for Hostingers, they have like three packages. The first one here is the premium package. It costs you like $2.99. The second one here is business package, costs you $3.99, and the most expensive one is cloud startup. It costs you like $9.99, so it's equivalent to $10. Yeah, guys. So Hostinger will also give you like a free domain. All right, free domain if you subscribe to this premium package. You're also going to get a free domain. It's just the same thing like Ionos, guys. Very cool, right? Okay, so those are hosting providers that you should consider. There are many different hosting providers out there, not only limited to these four. So just type in free or cheap hosting providers. I'm pretty sure it's very easy for you to find a lot of them on Google, right? So yeah, guys, I think that's it. I'm not affiliated with any of these platform, guys, so I'm just sharing you these informations, so you can take this as your data, and then you can make informed decisions about which hosting provider that you want to use, right? Okay, so I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how to potentially turn these cryptocurrency price tracking websites into a sustainable passive income. So I'm going to share 6 different ways that you can do to monetize these websites. All right, so these are like 6 different business models that you should consider. The first one here is to display ads. All right, so I'm gonna click all of these 3 links. So the first one is Coinzilla, the second one is ads, and the third one is Bitmedia. All right, so let's start with Coinzilla. Well, actually, like all of these 3 are relatively the same. So just pick one as an example. Let's say we're going to pick Coinzilla as an example, right? So as you guys can see here, we have advertisers and publishers. So if you want to display your ads, if you want to advertise your own product, then just click on advertisers, but that's not our intentions. Instead, we're going to be the publishers, right? We want to display ads on our website. So just click on publishers, just click on it. All right, so as you guys can right here, earn more from your website. So yeah, this is one of many ways that we can do to monetize our website. So by displaying ads on our websites, and every single time our visitors click on that ad, we're going to get money, right? That's how we monetize our websites. So yeah, just click on check out the ad formats. So there are like several different options for you to choose. For example, like the classic banners. They also have like the native ads, pop under, header banner, what else? Sticky banner. So yeah, many different options that you can choose. Just pick whichever the one that you want, whichever the one that you like, right? But before that, you need to sign up first, right? It's kind of the same with ads and also Bitmedia. Just click on publishers, click earned, create ad unit, and you're going to get the code, right? You're going to get the HTML code, and then you will need to embed that code in your WordPress, right? So don't worry, if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how to do it in the next video, right? So yeah, that's the first way that you should consider to monetize your websites. Let's talk about the second one here. It's through subscription model. So if you're familiar with Netflix, so you subscribe monthly, right? So every single month you pay, and you're going to be able to have access to Netflix movies and TV shows, right? That's like the same concept that I'm talking about here. So you will require user subscriptions to get access to premium features on your website. So for instance, you're building a cryptocurrency price tracking websites, and then you're also building other premium features on your websites, and then to be able to access like those premium features, you will require the users to subscribe monthly or maybe weekly or annually. It's totally up to you guys. It's kind of the same like Netflix, right? So that's the second business model. Let's talk about the third one here, affiliate marketing. I'm pretty sure most of you have already heard this multiple times in the internet. So you can display affiliate offers, affiliate link, and every single time someone clicked on that link and then made the purchase, you're going to get certain percentage of the purchase as your commissions. So let's say the contract states that you're going to get 25% commissions and the product costs like $100, and then every single time someone clicks on that link and then made a purchase, you're going to get $25, right? 25% from $100 product. So yeah, that's affiliate marketing. Let's talk about another business model. It's called sponsorship and partnership. So you need to close a deal with other brand and advertise their project on your website. So when it comes to cryptocurrency, Web 3.0, blockchain, there are lots of projects. For example, like NFT projects or decentralized finance project. So why don't you come to them and approach them and over your service? Hey, I own a website. I get, let's say, 5k traffics daily or 5k traffics monthly. Why don't we do collaboration? So I'm going to display your project, your NFT project, your DeFi project on my website. So your project is going to get more exposure. Your project is going to be able to reach more potential audience, and you're going to pay me certain commissions from your sales, right? Or your profit. So yeah, that's another business model that you should consider. And let's talk about the next one here, ICO and STO. So if you are familiar with stock markets, you knew what IPO is, right? IPO stands for initial public offering. So before a stock is listed in stock exchange, it needs to undergo a process called IPO, right? So if you want to transform your company into a public company, you need to undergo a process called IPO, or initial public offering. And that's kind of the same with crypto. So basically what you're going to be doing here is playing the role of stock exchange, right? But not the official one. So you're going to offer premium listing for initial coin offerings or ICO, or security token offerings or STO. So you're going to provide additional exposure to cryptocurrency projects seeking funding, guys. So yeah, that's what you're going to do. So let's say, for example, I've just created a cryptocurrency coin and nobody knows that, right? But if I list my coins on the websites and the websites gets like 10k traffics per month, then obviously my coin is going to be exposed to at least 10k people, which is a huge traffic. So yeah, that's another service that you can do to monetize your websites. And let's talk about the last one here, email newsletter. So you should consider developing a premium email newsletter, particularly a cryptocurrency newsletter with valuable insights and analysis, and charge a subscriptions fee for access, right? So it's kind of like a Forbes or Times magazine. So you're going to charge people to subscribe to your email newsletter, right? So what they're going to get from you is a lot of cryptocurrency news, market insights, data analysis, like how the market is going to look like in the next couple days, stuff like that. And they're going to be charged maybe like $5 per month or $10 per month. Then you might be wondering, only $5? Really? It's too low? Well, let me tell you, if you're able to get, let's say, 1,000 people subscribing to your crypto newsletter, then just multiply 1,000 by 5. It's already $5,000, guys. It's huge, right? So just keep working on the project that you're building, keep working on your websites, and you're going to start seeing the results. Maybe not in the first couple months, but if you keep working, then it will get there. Maybe it's not gonna be easy for you to get like the first 1,000 subscribers to your crypto newsletter, right? They need to trust you first. They need to get the value from your websites first before making decision to subscribe to your crypto newsletter. So make sure that you convince them enough that, hey, this website is worthy of your subscriptions. All right, so I think that's all, guys, for this video. Those are 6 business models that you should consider to potentially monetize your cryptocurrency price tracking websites. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'm going to guide you step by step on how to integrate ads to your WordPress website. So I'll see you guys there. What's up guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach and guide you step by step on how to set up your ads on ads, and also how to integrate the ads to your WordPress websites, right? So now every single time someone clicks on that ads, you're going to get money, right? You're going to get paid. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to ads.com and just click on earned and then click on create ad, right? So right here we're going to click create ad unit, and we need to copy and paste the URL. So this is the URL to our website, so I'm just gonna copy this and I'm going to paste it here, right? Okay, very cool. And you can also change the size, so I'm just gonna stay with the default size, which is 728 by 90. That's the default size. And you can also filter the content. So for example, if you don't want any ad related to gambling, you don't want any ad related to investment, you can just check this, right? So yeah, as you guys can read here, please check which type of content are not allowed to be displayed and see how it affects your Bitcoin earnings. So I'm totally fine with any ads related to investments. I don't want to have ads related to gambling, and also ads related to adult contents. And I'm totally fine with ads related to high risk investments. So yeah, I'm just gonna uncheck this too. All right, so as you guys can see here on the right side of the screens, the CPM, the cost per mile, the amount of money that you're going to get paid per thousands impressions is 36 cents, right? And also your CPC, your cost per click, every single time someone click on that link, you're going to get paid 3 cents. It might seem to be very low, but don't worry. If you get a lot of audience, you get a lot of traffic coming into your websites, you're going to get a lot of clicks, you're going to get a lot of impressions. So it's not really a big deal to have like a very low number, right? Okay, so now just click on this I'm not a robot, just to verify that you're a human, and we're going to do this verifications, right? I think that's it. I'm just gonna click next. We're going to verify the motorcycles here, right? And then click verify. Okay, crosswalk right here. There is no crosswalk. Where is it? Right here. I need to verify this again. Bicycles. Okay, cool. I don't know why there are lots of them here. There's no more left. Okay, cool. So now I have been verified. So I'm just gonna click on create ad unit. Okay, so this is the HTML code that we're going to integrate to our website, right? So what we need to do here is to copy and paste this, right? So the next thing that we're going to do is to copy and paste this HTML code, and we're going to integrate this HTML code to our WordPress websites, right? So I'm just gonna copy this and let's go back to our WordPress websites. And the next thing that we need to do is to click on plugins and then click add new, because we are going to need to install one more plugin. And down here I'm just going to type in ads like this. Alright, so I'm going to type in ads and just scroll down a little bit, and we're going to install this ad inserter, ad manager, and AdSense ads. I'm just gonna click install now, right? It's completely free, so we're not going to pay anything here. Okay, very cool. So now it has been installed. The next thing to do is to activate this plugin. So just click on activate. All right. Okay, very cool. So now it has been activated. All right. I'm just going to refresh this really quick. Okay, cool. So now just going to insert our ads. So I'm just going to type in ads. Where is it? Right here. Settings. Just gonna click settings. Okay, cool. Now what we're going to do is to paste the code here, and I want the ads to be displayed on the static page, home page, search pages, post, category pages, text, and archive pages, right? For the insertions, I'm going to click on before content, and for the alignment, it's totally up to you. I'm just going to place it on the on the left, right? So I don't want it to be on the center because I don't want to distract the visitors of the web. I don't want them to have distractions, because if we put the ads on the center, then it might block their views, right? So I'm just going to click preview. Just going to click preview really quick to see what the ad will look like, right? You can choose like the locations. If it is on the center, it will look like this. If it is on the left, then it will look like this. If it is on the right, then it would look like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick with the left, and I think that's it, guys. Yeah, I think that's it. The next thing that we need to do is to list the ad, right? So I'm just gonna click save settings. All right, very cool. And I'm just going to click allow, and I'm going to refresh this once again just to make sure that the change has been saved. All right, so let's open our site. Click advanced crypto table. So yeah, this is the ad, right? Okay, cool. So now the ad has appeared here. So every single time someone click on this ad and interact with this ad, we're going to get paid, right? So that's how it works. That's how you integrate ads to your WordPress websites, guys. Okay, very cool. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to summarize all things that we've learned so far, and I'm also going to share a few tips and tricks on how to take all skills and knowledge that you've gained in this course to another level. How to potentially to turn this cryptocurrency price tracking websites into a sustainable passive income business, guys. But before that, let me tell you that actually this video is going to be the last video in this course. So first of all, massive congratulations for completing the course. Congratulations for getting this far. I'm so proud of you guys, and you should be proud of yourself too, because there are lots of people who want to achieve the same goal, but they're not willing to take actions. But when you're willing to take actions, at very least, you're already a step ahead, right? You're already a step closer to your goal. So once again, congratulations, guys. Okay, so before even thinking about monetizing your websites, before even thinking about turning these websites into a sustainable passive income business, the very first thing that you need to do, the very first thing that you need to be concentrating on is to drive traffic. Drive as much traffic as possible to your websites, because if there's no traffic in your websites, then nobody's going to click your ads, nobody's going to interact with your websites, and there's zero chance for you to make money on your website. So the very first thing that you need to do, the very first thing that you need to be focusing on is to drive traffic, guys. All right. There are many ways that you can do to drive traffic to your websites, and one of the best way to do it, based on my personal experience, is to do social media promotions. So what you need to do is to promote your websites in social media platforms and try to reach broader audience, guys. So if you have a Facebook page, for example, create a Facebook page, or maybe you have Instagram, just promote your websites on Instagram, create contents related to cryptocurrencies, create content related to market predictions, stuff like that, and then link that content to your websites. Or maybe you have Pinterest, all right? Or maybe you have TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter. Just try to promote your website on many different social media platforms and start driving traffic to your website. So that's the very first thing that you need to do. Then once you've already gained a lot of traffic, you might want to start thinking about how to monetize the traffic that coming into your websites, right? But before that, you need to make sure that your crypto price tracking websites has a user-friendly interface, right? So you need to make sure that people who are coming to your websites are comfortable navigating your websites, are comfortable with all features in your websites. So it's very important for you to always do regular testing and also maybe ask opinions from your friends or family members about your websites and ask their opinions. Is there anything that I could do to improve my website? So hearing many different perspectives is definitely going to be a very valuable insights for you guys. All right, so that's the first one. Let's talk about the second one. High quality hosting service is essential to ensure the quality and performance of your websites, guys. So when it comes to hosting providers, me personally, I don't mind spending more money on hosting, guys, because that's going to be very essential. Can you imagine this? Let's say only 10 people coming into your websites every day. Maybe it's not a big deal, right? Your website is still going to function properly. However, if your website gets, let's say, 10,000 or even 100,000 people coming in every day, and those people are doing many different type of activities in your websites, if you use a low quality hosting providers, most likely there is high chance for your websites to not function properly, since the amount of traffic potentially crash your websites, and you don't want that to happen, right? You want your websites to be sustainable for a long term. That's the reason why it's very important for you to choose high quality hosting providers, guys. Okay, so that's the second one. Let's talk about the third one. I totally get it. You want to make money here. You want to monetize your websites. You want to make profits from your investment. That's the reason why you're displaying many ads on your websites. But at the same time, you also need to view your websites from the users or the visitor perspective. So if you have too many ads on your websites, it might not be very comfortable for the visitors, right? Because maybe the ads is blocking what they're seeing. Maybe the ad is blocking the price chart. Maybe the ad is blocking the cryptocurrency price, stuff like that. So always make sure that you prioritize your user satisfactions above all. I totally get it. You want to display ads, but don't display too many ads, because it's going to leave a bad impressions on your websites, right? Because think about this. If the users or the visitors of your websites didn't have a good experience while they were on your websites, most likely there's high chance for them to not return back to your websites, right? So make sure that you leave a positive and good impressions on your websites. Okay, so I think that's it. I'll move to the next slide. So thank you for taking the course. I really appreciate that. I really hope you learn a lot from this course. I really hope you can turn this cryptocurrency price tracking websites and combine it with other innovations, and then build your own project and then launch your websites, and maybe potentially turn this websites into a sustainable passive income business, right? Obviously, it's not going to be very easy. There will be a lot of works that need to be done. So be patient, guys. Just remember that success is not going to happen overnight. So it will take time. It will take process. All right, it might take you like a couple months or even years to see results. So please be patient, guys, but just never quit. All right. So yeah, I wish you all the best. I wish you all nothing but the best. And if you need any help, just let me know. All right, you can send me a message. And I really wish you could spend like a couple seconds leaving reviews. Tell me what you like about the course. Tell me what you don't like about the course, so I can improve the quality of my future course. It's definitely going to help me a lot. And once again, wish you all the best, guys. And I really hope to see you again in my future course. So I'll see you whenever I see you guys.